one guy who dies all the time. I mean, look at this. He's just running. Then all of a sudden, see some chickens. Like, nah, nothing. Starts walking a little bit. Nobody is around. Oh my gosh, what the... Oh my god, he died. You see that guy on the refrigerator? He likes that guy. He's gonna try again to kill him, but most likely he'll fail. Walking up the stairs, as soon as he gets in there... Oh, he achieved it. He achieved it. He just runs. So is that one guy. He's gonna go crazy someday. Just come out firing. Oh god. Oh no. Oh god, no. Oh Jesus, I'm done. I'm done. Oh, I'm